Man, I can't tell you how many times I go and search a video in the springtime to look how to change the blades, change the belt, just do some general maintenance. This is my Husqvarna YTA 42-inch ride-on lawnmower. I just can't find a lot of videos out for this mower specifically. So we're going to change some blades, change out the belt. I took the deck off already, and I'm going to show you how to put that back on as well. Want to go for a ride? So the first step to getting these blades off a lawnmower is you need a lug nut. So the lug nut for this type of blade is a 5/8 inch. It's right over the top there. And the second thing you're going to want to get is a breaker bar. If you can't get it off with the breaker bar, you could use an impact wrench. So I figured I'd just remove the deck. I'm able to clean it all out now, and it's much easier to get the blades off like this instead of trying to get underneath and wedging things on there and whatnot. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this towel right here, and then just grip it with your hand, keep it nice and steady. Attach this on here. And I've heard a lot of people say on the internet that the bolts, you can remove them clockwise, counterclockwise. I don't know any other way to remove the bolts, to be honest, but this one here is counterclockwise. Just want to give it a firm tug. And there we go. To be honest, that wasn't as bad as I thought. So once we get that off, we'll remove that. The blade is all smashed. So we got the new set of blades here. These are the Husqvarna ones. These are straight from the factory. You can get these at any box store. You can get them at any hardware store. The key is to make sure you get the size blade. In our sense, we have a 42-inch mower, so we're going to get the 42-inch blades. And then the other thing you want to consider is if you're going to mulch or you're going to bag. So there's two types of blades. I've heard people say that the difference is not significant. One cuts higher, one cuts lower. In my case, I don't bag my grass, so I'm going to get the mulching blade. I'm just going to let it shoot out the side, let it compost on the grass. So the first thing you want to do when you fit these blades on is you want to clean off this piece here. So the other thing to take in consideration when you're installing these blades is, see that little symbol there from the factory? It says grass side. Just make sure that side's facing down when you attach it to the spindle. That will ensure your blades will put on correctly, and you won't have to worry about it sitting flush or wobbling around once you engage the blades and start cutting your grass. And then we just want to get it right inside the little star here. Once you start screwing on the bolt, it will start to get it back in place and we'll get it tightened back up. So let's get the bolt back on. We'll get the 5/8. And you want to go first, you want to hand screw it on so you don't cross thread this here, because if you cross thread it, it's over. lot of these belts are 1 inch off, half an inch off, a little too thick, a little too small. So make sure you got the right belt, because you're gonna get home, you're gonna get it halfway on, and it's just not gonna fit, because these fit really, really snug. So let's go put the belt on, and I hope it fits. All right, we're back to the garage. There's a child lock on there, so we gotta get a razor to cut this off. How's the pruning scissors? Lifting that up. Listen. One more. Right there for now. Yep. Bracket that we attached earlier with that bolt has a little spring on it. This helps with the tension in order to engage the blades. You just want to make sure that you hook that into the pulley. The arm that attaches to that pulley has a small hole in it. You may also have to adjust that bolt forward and backwards on that bracket to make sure it has enough tension. You can see here, once I pull that up top, that tension spring pulls that belt real tight. That's what engages your mower. And that's it. Brand new blades and a brand new belt. Deck's back on, nice and clean. See you on the next one.